This is how you replace the cabin filter in a 21 Toyota RAV4. You're going to open up your glove box. On the side here, there's going to be a little plunger. You're going to pop out just like that. Just put your hand behind it and pop it out. Then you're going to grab here and push in to release these little tabs to allow the glove box to come down enough. Then underneath here is where the cabin filter is going to be. You have to press the little tabs on the side of this little door here. So these little tabs press down and they get released. Notice that it says up. That's exactly the same way you're going to put it back in. And the cabin filter is going to be inside here. You pull out, and the cabin filter is this element. This is part of the car. When you put in your brand new cabin filter, ensure that you see how it says airflow up. Make sure that matches up with this. Make sure it goes up as well. And then you put it back in and make sure that it's sitting flush all the way around. Okay, now you reinstall it the same way you removed it. Push it in. Make sure this is going up. You put it back into the little tab area. And then that's in. And you're gonna put the glove box back in by just pushing it up. It clips in. Oh, this one actually came out of the hinges back over here, so it wouldn't allow me to put it in. So make sure that it's in the hinges, and then you push it in. And now you put the plunger back in, and that allows it to come down nice and smooth. Test it a few times, and you're all set.